The James Webb Telescope has as of late announced the most clear image of Proxima B ever, uncovering stunning experiences concerning this conceivably livable exoplanet. Go along with us as we set out on an excursion through space to uncover the mysteries of Proxima B and find whether it might for sure be the following Earth. We ought to take off into the tremendous region of Room, where a secretive planet exists in the livable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. This planet isn't simply any customary stone. Its world's cousin, Proxima B, tracked down a simple 42 light-years from us. This planet is covered in secret and miracle. Might it be one more Earth with seas and life overflowing on its surface? However, stand by, there's something else. Proxima Centauri B isn't the only one around the red small star. It has a friend, Proxima Centauri C. Who can say for sure what different insider facts this star framework holds? Perhaps there's one more buddy that we still can't seem to find. The secrets don't stop there. Proxima Centauri B gets about similar measure of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun. Might this truly intend that there's water on its surface? Perhaps life? As we adventure past our own planetary group, we track down something else altogether of exoplanets, planets that circle stars other than the Sun. With 200 billion stars in the universe, the opportunities for exoplanets are huge. Some exoplanets even meander openly, untethered to any star, similar to maverick vagabonds in space. However, among them all, Proxima Centauri B stands apart as a genuinely extraordinary and captivating planet, with a year that endures just 112 Earth days, and a separation from star is on various occasions nearer than Earth is to the Sun. Almost certainly, one side of the planet is continually washed in light, while the opposite side remaining parts in unending murkiness. Presently, we should discuss Proxima Centauri, the star that Proxima B circles. Proxima Centauri is essential for the Alpha Centauri triple star situation, which incorporates Rigil Kentaurus, also called Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B, together. These stars make up the nearest star framework to our own planetary group. The two stars, Rigil Kentaurus and Alpha Centauri B, structure a double framework known as Alpha Centauri and NB. These G and K-type stars show up as one star in the heavenly body Centaurus and are the third most splendid stars in our night sky, with a pinnacle size of under 2.7. Proxima Centauri, likewise called Alpha Centauri C, is a red diminutive person, or M star, found 21 light-years from the other two stars, approximately multiple times the distance among Earth and the Sun. It is without a doubt the nearest star to us. Truth be told, Proxima Centauri signifies the nearest star of Centaurus in Latin. Found in 1915 by Scottish cosmologist Robert Thorburn, Proxima Centauri, in spite of being our nearest heavenly neighbor, isn't noticeable to the unaided eye. It has an obvious extent of 11.13, which is a long ways past the most extreme human restriction of 6.5. Yet, don't let that fool you. Proxima Centauri is, as yet, a star worth wondering about. Red small stars like Proxima Centauri are among the most effective regarding energy creation. They may not create a ton of energy, but rather the inner convection processes at their centers keep them sparkling for trillions of years. Truth be told, Proxima Centauri will stay a fundamental succession star for another 4 trillion years. In any case, the tenability of a red small star like Proxima Centauri is still under banter. As far as one might be concerned, it's a flare star, meaning it has normal and inconsistent changes. As a low-mass star, its tenable zone would be nearer than that of the Sun, projected to be somewhere close to 0.23 and 54 cents. However, it's not generally so bearable as it appears. Proxima B is assaulted by outrageous bright radiation from its star, ordinarily more grounded than the radiation we get from our Sun, believe it or not. It's extreme to such an extent that even the lightest particles of hydrogen get obliterated, not to mention nitrogen and oxygen. However, that is not all. Since a planet is at the right separation from its star doesn't mean it can uphold life. Proxima B might not have a steady environment, which is fundamental for controlling temperature and supporting a water-rich surface. Without it, Occupant creatures would be defenseless against unsafe space weather patterns, making life almost inconceivable. So while Proxima B could appear Earth-like initially, it is a long way from having the option to help life. Certain individuals stay confident, in spite of different elements delivering it appalling. The excursion to uncover reality with regards to Proxima B proceeds. One instrument that has caught the consideration of researchers is the James Webb Telescope. After a few deferrals, the telescope was at long last sent off in 2018 and will assist us with deciding whether there is life on Proxima B. Nonetheless, likewise with everything in science, things are never entirely as direct as they show up. Various adjustments were expected to guarantee that the James Webb Telescope delivered exact pictures. As Abay K. Bend, a hypothetical physicist at Harvard, makes sense of, in the event that a planet like Proxima B can retain light from its star, it can likewise transmit it as infrared light. The James Webb Telescope was explicitly intended to notice infrared light. It can take photos of this light in the world's surface and quest for designs that could affirm whether the planet has water or an air. Yet, imagine a scenario in which the planet has an air that isn't helpful for life. The presence of an environment doesn't ensure the presence of life, cautions Ed Turner, an astrophysicist at Princeton College. Proxima B could be like Venus, with a thick air that is a few times denser than Earth's and outrageous intensity that would make it inconceivable for life to exist. The mission to unwind the insider facts of Proxima B isn't without its difficulties. While the James Webb Telescope holds guarantee, there are different variables to consider. With costs mounting, researchers are unable to sort out some way to notice planets like Proxima B. The dangers are perfect, however the prizes are significantly more prominent. The valuable chance to investigate the obscure, to reveal the mysteries of a far-off planet that holds the potential forever, is one that stargazers will seek after. Hypothetically, if the exoplanet were tenable, might we at any point try and go there? It's the nearest exoplanet to us, which works everything out such that energizing, as it's practically similar to searching in our immense patio. Much more fascinating is that it's generally a similar size as Earth, and its area in the tenable zone proposes it could have conditions reasonable forever. Proxima's vicinity likewise makes it an optimal objective for our quest for life past Earth, and with it being simply a jump away, somewhat talking, its major areas of strength for interstellar missions. Really ponder the chance of investigating this world-like exoplanet. Notwithstanding, we can't yet go there. It's certainly on the radar for future missions as innovation progresses. It's maybe perhaps of the most exciting undertaking in the field of room investigation. However, arriving is no simple accomplishment. It would require 75,000 years for space apparatus like Explorer 2 to arrive at the Proxima Centauri framework. Nonetheless, an answer has been proposed: sun-powered sails. These super slim sails could be utilized to speed up a shuttle to the Alpha Centauri framework, carrying Proxima alongside it. This innovation bridles sun-based strain to keep the rocket on course, disposing of the issue of running out of fuel. Furthermore, you understand what's much cooler? This unimaginable innovation can possibly reveal insight into the chance of life on different planets, like Proxima B. However, likewise with anything so amazing, there are a few impediments. For example, the presence of a climate doesn't be guaranteed to guarantee the presence of life. Proxima B could be like Venus, with a thick, singing air that is unsuitable forever. What's more, get this, the James Webb Telescope has the capacity to recognize such light on the off chance that it arrives at a brilliance of only 5% of the typical daytime splendor. Presently, 5% probably won't seem like a lot. However, while managing a star that is on numerous occasions dimmer than our Sun, it's really a huge sum. Furthermore, assuming that Proxima B has an intelligent surface that enlightens its night side, it very well may be utilizing splendid orbital mirrors to reflect daylight from the day side of the planet to the night side. How cool is that? There are endless exoplanets ready to be found in our universe. These planets come in all shapes and sizes, with some being gigantic gas monsters while others look like our own Earth. Be that as it may, what do we are familiar them? One kind of exoplanet that has caught the consideration of stargazers is the gas monster. These planets are comparative in creation to Jupiter and Saturn, however, are a lot bigger. A portion of these behemoths have been named superjupiters, predominating even the biggest planet in our planetary group. In any case, that is not all. There are, moreover, hot Jupiters, which are gas monsters that circle exceptionally near their host star, existing in a burning climate with temperatures that could dissolve metal. Envision having the option to notice such a planet very close, with its furious tempests and extreme intensity. Notwithstanding gas monsters, there are additionally Neptunian exoplanets, which are comparable in size to Uranus and Neptune. Among these are hot Neptunes and little Neptunes, which are more modest and nearer to their host stars than their gas Goliath cousins. These planets are much of the time covered in secret, with their environments being hard to study from a far distance. What's more, we shouldn't disregard earthly exoplanets, which look like our own Earth. These planets come in different sizes, going from more modest than our reality to twofold its size.